Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to conduct the second experiment to justify the Bernoulli's theorem. At first, let's introduce to the apparatus we will need for this experiment. The apparatus unit is constructed as a single perspex fabrication. It consists 9 piezometric tube with different area, 2 cylindrical reservoirs or water jar, an engraved plastic backboard, the plastic pipe, hanger, measuring tank, the stopwatch, and a measuring scale. Now let's follow the steps to complete the experiment. The apparatus should be accurately leveled by means of screw provided with a base. Water supply is connected to the radial diffuser in the upstream tank. The level of the discharge pipe is adjusted by means of the stand and clamp provided to a convenient position. Water is allowed to flow through the apparatus until all air has been expelled and steady flow conditions are achieved. This can be accomplished by varying rate of inflow into the apparatus and adjusting the level of the discharge tube. Now we will take the measurements for our experiment. At first, we will calculate the cross section of the water tank. The whole square unit is not our cross section, but the section that is only visible here. We will measure the length and width of the water tank. Now, we will measure the necessary data to calculate the discharge. The initial point gauge reading. A good amount of time is required for the equilibrium. Now firstly we will take the initial point gauge reading, which is showing about 8 centimeter. Now we can see the initial point gauge reading is 8 centimeter. And now we will start the stopwatch, and we will consider the time 1 minute, and after 1 minute we will observe the final point gauge reading. That will provide us the total height of the tank. From the cross-section area of the tank and the observed rising height of the water, we can calculate the volume of the water, and then with the help of the time, we can calculate the discharge. Now lastly, we will measure the height of piezometer water level. Each tube consists different height because they have different cross-section area. We can observe a V-shaped curve throughout the 9 piezometer tubes. These all readings are necessary and very sensitive to be taken.